This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate flow armor trim. This intricate process requires your full attention to detail and a methodical approach. We will go over gathering the exact materials needed, setting up your environment precisely, and executing the duplication steps carefully. Following these instructions will allow you to successfully multiply your flow armor trim, making sure you have an ample supply for all your crafting needs. To begin, gather your essential items. You will need one original flow armor trim, of course, as the item you wish to duplicate. In addition, procure 2 sticky pistons, 4 redstone blocks, and 3 redstone repeaters. You will also require 144 regular stone blocks for building the foundation. Finally, secure 1 chest and 1 crafting table. These are crucial for completing the duplication. Next, let's construct the duplication system itself. Start by building a 3x3 stone block base, leaving the very center empty. Place a sticky piston on each of the 4 sides of this central void, ensuring they face inwards. Behind each piston, set a redstone repeater and adjust its delay to 2 ticks. Connect all the repeaters and pistons using redstone dust, forming a complete circuit around the central void. This precise setup is critical. Now, for the duplication process. Place your one original flow armor trim directly into the central void of your completed system. Immediately after, activate the redstone circuit by placing a redstone block anywhere on the redstone dust path. Observe the pistons move. The moment the pistons retract for the first time, quickly break the redstone block you just placed. If done correctly, you will see multiple flow armor trims appear in the central area.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.